What's up, guys? This is Jared with ATM Roofing. We're in Lakeland, Tennessee today. We're at a customer's home who was a direct referral from a previous happy customer that we helped out. They called us out because they were experiencing some pretty significant leaks inside their home. Got here, did a full inspection of their roof, noticed they had discontinued shingles and a lot of storm damage. We helped them file a claim through their insurance company. Met their insurance company out here with proper documentation, discontinued letters from the shingle company that was previously on the roof. And now here we are today. We got a full insurance approval. We're going back with an Atlas Pinnacle Pristine Lifetime system, and they're getting 2 brand new skylights. So yeah, we'll keep you guys posted on the status of the roof, before and after photos. It's going to be a beautiful project. Call us if you need anything, guys. Free roof inspections.